Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are coming back with another nail tutorial, and this is just gonna be an ombre set but with a little glam. So yeah, I know it has been a while since I posted a nail tutorial, but I am back, y'all. I am back. So before we go ahead and get started, make sure that y'all click that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. All right, now let's just go ahead and get into it. I have already prepped her nails as well as glued the nail tips on and cut them down to her desired length. Now I am just going in with my 80/80 grit nail file and just shaping the nails just a little bit, not too much, just enough to give them like a decent coffin shape. Oh yeah, and I did forget to mention these are the BT Art Box pre-shaped coffin tips. I will have them linked down below in the description box so that y'all can go check them out on Amazon. And yeah, now I'm just going in and basically just excuse me, I'm basically just blending the nail tip with her natural nail so that when I go in with the acrylic, it will be really nice and smooth. Now for her nail prep, I'm just taking some alcohol and acetone mixed together as my dehydrator, and I'm going to dehydrate her nails twice, and then after that I'm just going to go in with my Young Nails Protein Bond as my primer. So like I told y'all before, this is just going to be your basic nude and white ombre, but just with a little bit of glam. So the color that I'm using is actually a milky white color, not your typical white. And I actually made this as a custom acrylic myself, just mixing some white acrylic and clear acrylic together. The milkier or the more see-through you want the color to be, the more clear you use, and then the more opaque you want it to be, the more white you use. But yeah, so I'm just gonna apply that as the base color first, and then I'm gonna go in with my nude. So the nude that I'm using for this set is by Glitter Bells, and it's one of their cover acrylics, and it's in the color Pinker Bell, which is like this really pretty soft nude. I love it so much. It's almost like a see-through type nude, but it's really pretty and really subtle when it comes to doing like an ombre, as y'all can tell. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that to the base of the nail to ombre out the acrylic, and then after I'm finished with all of the nails, I'm just gonna go in and cap them with clear. After I finish encapsulating the nails, I'm just going back in with my 80/80 grit nail file and pretty much just cleaning up the shape. As y'all can tell by my application, the nails pretty much already have the perfect shape to them. I just like for them to look really nice and clean, so I'm just gonna kind of clean that shape up a little bit. So normally I do a two-step process when it comes to this cuticle area, but I actually found out that I really only need to use this one bit, and this is the Pana tapered barrel bit in the fine grit. I like to use this bit because, as you guys can tell, the teeth on this drill bit are really fine, so it gets really nice and good into the crevices of the cuticle area to make sure that there's no flooding or excess acrylic around it. So yeah, I will have this link down below so you guys can go check it out. And then if you have any bulkiness or just like excess acrylic on the nail, you can just file up and down the nail to remove some of that. And a quick tip when using this drill bit, make sure that you're being really careful when you're going around the cuticle area, because even though this drill bit is in the fine grit, it is still pretty sharp. Well, the teeth on the grit are still pretty sharp, and it's really easy to cut your client, which you do not want to do. So make sure that you're going around it and actually just removing the excess acrylic and not actually cutting your client. So after finished buffing the nails out and everything, I'm just going to go in and apply a little bit of bling to the nails. This nail that I'm doing right now is going to be like a caviar nail. And then on the index finger of this finger, I'm just going to apply some of these silver gems that I have from Amazon around the cuticle area. And just in case anybody was wondering, I am using my Bling adhesive to apply these rhinestones. So after I finish applying the caviar beads and the rhinestones, I'm just going in with my D&D top coat and gonna apply that to all of the nails. Now I am going to set those caviar beads with this gel top coat as well, just because I don't want to make it easy for the caviar beads to come off. I know I did use the Bling adhesive, but this is just an extra step that I like to do for security, just to ensure that they don't come off, or it takes them a while for them to come off. So that is it for this nail set. If y'all have any questions about anything used in this video, make sure to look in the description box first, because more than likely I will have everything linked down there. And yeah, also if you have any questions or any video suggestions, leave them down in the comment section below. And yeah, so before y'all leave, make sure to thumbs this video up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you do click that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.